What's up? In this video we are going to build on the multi-target video and the wick reversal strategy. So we're going to put those two together basically. So in case you didn't watch those, go watch those. But if you don't remember, basically the way they work is the wick strategy is if we get a large wick, then on the next candle we sell here, the stop loss and a TP, with the idea that it's reversing. I think we also added that it has to have high volume. So that's our signal that we're going to use. But then we're also, in this video, we're going to add the multi-target part. So the multi-target part is if we sold here, once we come X amount of ticks in profit, then we're going to close one position and move our stop to break even, and then the TP down here. So as soon as we get here, we've made money. And either it comes hits us a stop loss or comes hits TP. So those are basically how the two strategies work. So let's go to Ninjatrader editor and get this started. Alright, so we're going to do strategy, new strategy. Actually, might have already created it. I don't remember. I think I did. Multi-targets. Yes, I did already create it. So we're going to create our new strategy. And yeah, create yours, compile it. And then let's open it in Visual Studio. Alright. So it's the wick scalping, pretty sure. And multi-target. I'll open multi-target too. Yes. Alright. So our signal is still, this is still our signal, so we are going to need basically this entire strategy. So first thing we do, just come to the wick scalping strategy, Control A, Control C, copy the whole thing, Control A, Control V, and that will just paste the whole strategy in here. Now, whenever you copy and paste an entire strategy, what you need to do is just, all you have to do is change the class name and right here. So we'll just change it back to match our strategy name, such as YouTube multi-target V2, and then here as well. V2. Now Control S to compile, and there we go. Yep, it's working. Alright. So now we have our wick scalping strategy, so we don't need that anymore. Now we are going to copy the multi-target strategy. So we have TV2, TP1. Let's copy all these properties. Actually, no, we don't need the indicators parts. And we are not, yeah, we don't use any indicators. So copy up until the move stop loss parameter. And we'll come down here, paste this. And now let's see, we don't need the TP or the stop loss from the old strategy. Delete from here down. Now, copy all of the logic. So that's going to be from here down. And yeah, so the scalping strategy is pretty simple, right? Basically, check the wick. Then this is our signal right here. So I'm just going to paste the multi-target strategy signals right here. Now, all we need to do is combine these two. So basically, all of this is just this part. So we're just going to take this and this as our signals. So copy that, and then come down to where we enter, and boom. Now we'll copy the down wick. Oh, I know, we did that backwards. This is when we want to buy, and this is when we went to sell. So yeah, it looks like we don't use the volume in this strategy, in the wick fill. But alright, so we have our signals. We can delete this. We can delete these. And now we just need to put our break even triggered. Which for that, we just come back up here. Break even triggered. Bool. And I spell it wrong. Yes, I did. Then we also need an integer counter. One error. Expecting an end region. Alright. So we now have no errors. So we have our two TPs, two stop losses, two TPs, two stop losses. Move our stop loss to break even. And then this is move stop loss to break even. Wait, what? Oh, this is to continue to. Right. Okay, yeah. That's what counter's for. So this is so we make sure we continue to trail it up, which is good because this strategy, at least the way I'm planning on using it, is right. We have our wick here. This is our candle. We're gonna buy here. Buy here. Our first TP is gonna be very quick. And our stop loss will be like here. So that right away we're capturing a little bit of profit and moving our stop loss up to break even. And then we slowly, if we can keep going more and more, then we get it. That's the idea at least. But we can always optimize and see if it works better like that or not. And then we can also test the volume as well. But let's see if this works. So Control S, compile it. We do want to add TP 1 and 6. Let's do 15, TP 2 and 6, 50, stop loss and 6, 20. See what other parameters. Move stop loss. Equals 15. Alright. Alright, now let's see how it works. So strategies. Target V2. Enable it. Apply. Alright, so no error and it's trading, so that's good. Let's see. So Hedwig, we bought stop loss. Alright, I already know what's going on. Or one issue. We want to enter twice, but Ninjatrader by default does not like that. So we need to change entries per direction. You could do 2, or we just do unique entries. And since we named our entries buy 1 and buy 2, those are unique, so it'll allow us. So let's change that. And there we go. Now we bought 2, both at stop loss. But before we forget, let's come to here and change it to unique entries in the code. Alright, but now let's see. So here we bought 2 L's, bought, both lost, bought, both won. Here, 1 won, 1 lost. Did not move our stop loss though. Alright. Let's open it just a little bit so it's easier to look at. 25, 25, 75. Alright, so here, alright, so it looks like it's working at some times. We bought, hit TP1, break even. We bought, both lost. No sells though, right? Oh, we did get sells. Sells actually made money. Looks like buys are just more common. But yeah. So sometimes it works. Looks like it's not great though, to be honest. Unless you did like something very tight, like if you went at like 15 or something, I don't know. Or like a lot wider. Yeah, I mean, dang, this one actually looks fire. Not there though, then you get wrecked. So when it's like this, you just need it to what? Come up 50 ticks in profit, then you're at TP1, and break even. Oh, right. So when it's a lot smaller, the reason it doesn't look like it's moving to TP is because we're moving the stop loss is because we move stop. Oh, right. Okay. Never mind. I forgot how the strategy worked. But once it hits TP1, then we move stop loss to break even plus. We move stop loss ticks in profits. Okay, so that makes a lot more sense. So if TP1 and this are the same, but it's not going to work. This needs to be less because once we're 100 ticks in profit, hit TP1, then our stop loss moves to 50 ticks in profit, which is exactly what happens right here, right? Hit TP1, stop loss, 50 ticks in profit. But yeah, it looks like a lot of these are working pretty good. And made money. So yeah, that's kind of it. That's just this, you know. Definitely gonna run this on a demo account. I actually already have demo account created. I haven't traded on it. The other version is actually doing pretty good. Just the RSI, and like I put this I think 2 or 3 days ago. Like it does good. Might actually trade on a live account eventually here in the next few weeks if it continues to do good. But yeah, this is just a quick video on new strategy, but also if you want to take the same management, like same strategy management, you just copy this exact same thing, and then you just put whatever signal you want here, and then you have a good strategy. Or that's how you create this management for any signal. So yeah, that's kind of it. I'm just gonna run a optimization very quick and see how it goes. Also, if you have not checked out some of my new videos on about the um, auto strategy generator, go check that out. All this stuff. If you aren't great at coding and you still want to generate strategies, that is definitely something very, very cool that you will want to check out. So let's do just a quick optimization. See how it goes. I do want to run this on tick bars, not minute bars though. Let's just see kind of what works-ish. Stop loss. We get slippage. Probably want it at least 25. This doesn't matter. Do 0. 10, 100, 10. TP1 and ticks. 50 to 250 to 25. Let's see. 25, 8, 10, 80 times 8. 640. So I could do times 5. Yeah, let's try this. Wait, actually, I want TP1 a lot smaller than that. 25, then we can boost this up to 400. Alright, so hopefully my computer can handle this. Might be too many back tests though. Alright. Yeah, 3,000 should be good. Right about what I aim for. Alright, so optimization finished. We got some results. Not great to be honest though. Because you got to realize there's also going to be commission, which mine still doesn't work. Have a meeting tomorrow. Keeps getting moved back. And then also slippage. Right now we only use 2. But like, I mean, it's hard to tell. 2 is like pretty normal. But if you're not adding commission, like obviously you need to add commission. If our average trade is $3, like if our commission is $1, like now our average trade is $2. You know what I mean? This is only over the last year though, so let's see. Let's see it by itself and how it does. Okay, yeah, that just does not look good. Just to do very good at one time. Alright, well, yeah, it don't look good. But I will still run it on a system account. But I'm gonna do it on 500 tick 500 tick volume candles, whatever they're called. So shoot. Save. Just done with this. Now your strategy. Tick 500. Move stop loss after 11 ticks in profits. Bruh. Nah, I'm just gonna change that. Oh, no, it moves it up 11 ticks. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Basically break even. And put it on there. Alright, and there we go. This is the one on the chart. Alright, yeah, there we go. So got that, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll let you guys know about the results. This video basically just showed you how to use the same strategy management of the multi-target and build it with any strategy. Basically, any strategy you do, you just put your logic up here and then just change the signal for when you enter. And it's that simple. So, yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Go check out the strategy, uh, the algo builder, generator, whatever you want to call it. Go check that out. I'm giving free trials. 1 week free trial. Go check it out. Thanks for watching. Peace.